What is going on, guys? It is mad early. It's 7:30. It's not that early for some people, but for me, it's pretty early. I woke up an hour ago, and we gotta go get the car inspected today. Now, when you think of getting a car inspected, I feel like usually people associate it with spending a lot of money for having to get replacement parts or things that wear out, or just always some sort of issue. Oh my god, there's kids everywhere. There was like mad kids in my neighborhood. I guess it's school time. Many YouTubers, I feel like, skip over the entire topic of car inspections, I feel like, or they don't get their cars inspected, or I don't know how they work because they're all catless and I really want to go catless. But I feel like inspections are one of those things that everyone just skips over, and they don't really talk about having to get their cars inspected. Now, I live in Pennsylvania. I've said this plenty of times. The one thing in Pennsylvania is they don't have the strictest car laws, but they have car laws, especially when it comes to inspections. Like, I'm not allowed to have any welds in my exhaust system. I'm not allowed to have a lot of things involving an exhaust system. One of the main things is you have to have a muffler, and then I don't have a muffler on this car. So I'm not quite certain I'm gonna pass. Now, they check a lot of other things, and I don't really know what else they check, but they check things. And I've also heard a lot of people failing because of them being too low. So I have two things completely working against me right now because this car doesn't have a muffler and I'm low. But you know, we're gonna see if I pass, and hopefully I pass, because if I don't know what to do. Switching up angles on you, didn't expect that now, huh? Another thing is, what I think is kind of cool about the whole inspection thing, well, it's not really cool, but you have to get it done once a year. And usually when you get it done, it's kind of like the first one was supposed to be like, I've had my car for a year, but I haven't had my car for a year yet. It's not as cool as it's supposed to be. I've had this car now for 10 months, and I want to make a cool video for the 1 year, and the inspection process was definitely supposed to be part of the 1 year video, but it's May, and I got the car in July. So it's not really that cool anymore. I just hope I pass. When I went to high school here, school definitely started at like 7:45, and those kids in my neighborhood are definitely going to be really late. Like, they were walking in my neighborhood at 7:40, bro. How you guys going to get there so fast, huh? You guys gonna be street racing, you guys gonna be speeding and shit. What are you doing? So I saw a post on Instagram. I'm not gonna put any names. I'm not sure if you actually watch my videos, but you may know who you are. And it's he has a more of a crazy build than I've seen. It is a BRZ, but the post was saying something along the lines of, oh, you have coilovers and exhaust. You're not modified at all. Whatever happened to the whole respect all builds, and some people, that's all they want, and it's kind of their builds just to do that. That was their entire plan. I'm gonna say, if you do anything to your car, really, it's still technically modifying your car. Now, I have my exhaust, I have my coilovers, I have my intake, I have my little interior bits and shit. So you're saying my car's not modified at all? Because I also have my tune. So what really makes your car modified, or what classifies it as a build? There's certain pieces. Do I have to wide body my car for it to be a build now? Is that like our new thing now? I feel like my car is built how I want it so far. I want to do more, but it's still a build. So if anyone lives in like the Philadelphia-ish area, and you guys know what 422 is, this is like the worst highway, because it's always under construction. Like, they do a thing and they like fix it, right? They take everything down and then they start constructing again, and it's always just this work in progress, and I have no clue why, and there's no reasoning for it. I feel like they just build it to build it. I know back in the day when the whole like Obama was like, oh, we're gonna bring jobs back to workers and stuff, they built a huge bridge here. The bridge didn't add any lane. It's just a really wide bridge now, and I don't see what the point of it was. But now we have like these wide ass bridges here for no reason. Thanks Obama for building us big bridges that we didn't really need, and just causing us traffic jams like 8 years later. Alright guys, well, just about here. I don't know how to put polls up, but you guys think I'm gonna pass? You guys think I'm gonna pass, or do you think I'm gonna fail? I'm hoping I pass. I'm hoping, but we will definitely see. Another thing I was thinking about is my side markers have a red bulb in it, and I'm pretty sure you can fail inspection for that too. So I got 3 things working against me, but what is going for me is that I'm a cool dude sometimes, and I can can make a joke. So they'd be like, oh, sorry. I'd be like, oh, sorry for what? Passing me? Ha! And they'll be like, yeah. And they'll give me a sticker. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in like, I don't really know how long. I was supposed to be here at 8 and it's 8:02. So hopefully I didn't miss my shit. And we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in a minute. So if you guys were curious if I was gonna pass my inspection, the answer is yeah, I passed. Now, I don't know a lot of inspection terms or what the papers are supposed to look like. In the emissions portion, it says catalytic converters, and it says NA, so it's non-applicable. Does that mean they didn't even plug my car into a computer to test my emissions? Did they just assume I was catless? Did they just like give me stickers? Do you guys know the answer of why they put NA there? If you guys know why they put NA there, could you guys comment that down below, because I don't really know what that means. If they didn't even test for it, or they didn't care, or I don't know. So if you guys could like give me some insight on that, that'd be super dope. Inspection took an hour. Inspection cost $60, but we passed. He said my rear tires are getting low because, you know, all the sweet burnies that I do on this channel really gets you. So before Florida, I should probably rotate my tires. Just get some general maintenance out of the way. I should probably do an oil change, even though I have like 3,000 miles left, just to be safe. And then I will be Florida bound. So I don't have this. I have one more video that's gonna be coming out after this until I go to Florida. And it's a really tough period for me going to Florida and recording videos because I'm trying to save money. I can't really afford parts right now. When I get to Florida, I do have a couple installs I have planned. We'll see how everything works out and everything goes to plan. I can't get anything too big though, because I have to drive this car back home after I'm done with Florida, because I'm only gonna be there for 3 months. So it's gonna be kind of a tougher thing if I have any big parts to get them home, because I don't have anywhere to put them. So stuff like wheels, I really wanted wheels this summer. I just don't think it's gonna happen because of the fact that I have to go to Florida in like 4 days, and I don't really have anywhere to put new wheels if I get wheels, or put my old wheels, because I have to drive my girlfriend down there and I have to pack my car with shit. Wheels are definitely gonna be on a hold, which is super unfortunate. I really wanted to have them, but you do what you do. Sometimes things don't work out the way they're planned. The dream wheel, I'm not even sure if they're producing the one I wanted anymore. I think they might have stopped them last year, or they said they might be releasing them after the summer's over, which is kind of dumb, because why would you release a wheel after summer's over when everyone wants it for the summertime? I don't know. I don't make their business decisions. If I did, I would have free wheels right now. Passed the inspection. I got things planned. Florida's coming out real fast. It's gonna be a long drive. I'm gonna try to do a video for the drive, but we're gonna see how that actually goes. So something I noticed when I was getting my car inspected, I was looking at my analytics on my YouTube app, and I noticed that you guys aren't subscribing. About 50%, there's a little bit less than half of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel and are watching my videos like regularly. You guys should definitely smash that subscribe button, because every subscriber helps. We're trying to reach 1,000 by the end of the year, and I think we can do it. I just need the support and help from all you guys. We'll get there. I just need your guys' help. I'm gonna leave you guys off here today. I'm pretty happy that my car passed. I always have that back of the mind feeling saying it's not gonna pass, something's gonna go wrong. But these people usually hook me up pretty well. So we passed. Let me know what that NA thing on my cats means, because I want to know if they check my cats or not. Because if they don't, you know what that means. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun shit. I've been forgetting to say that sometimes in my later videos, but it's fine. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun shit. Keep tuning, you guys, and peace out. Peace.